that's a big one. Did you see that, guys? Oh, it's a big one. Malaki to, guys, malaki to. Oh, paano natin ito mailalan? Oh, that's a big one. That's a monster, guys. No! You see that, guys? That is a monster. This is huge. I don't know what are we gonna do with this. Look at this tiny rod. See if we can bring it here. Let's put that weight. Oh, so, oh fuck. That's a big one. Did you see that, guys? Oh, it's a big one. Malaki to, guys, malaki to. Oh, paano natin ito mailalan? Oh, that's a big one. That's a monster, guys. No! You see that, guys? That is a monster. This is huge. I don't know what are we gonna do with this. Look at this tiny rod. See if we can bring it here. Let's put that weight. Oh, so. Oh. Dead. Uh-oh. Man. Oh no, what are we gonna do with this? Hold on, guys. What are we gonna do? Oh no. No. This is the big one. That's huge. Bro. Oh man. This is huge, guys. This thing is huge. And I swallowed it. Oh man. Good thing it's a keeper. Look at this, guys. Look at that. That is a monster. That is a big one, bro. I fell in the ground over there, so I smashed my leg. But I got him. We got him, baby. We got him. Yes, sir. Put it in the ice. My wife, she just bought me a collar, backpack collar. Put the thing inside. First fish in the collar. Yes, sir. Woo, bro. I smashed my leg, look. Look, this is the bait. Look at the bait that we're using. Big bait, big fish. Alright guys, so shout out tayo muna tayo. Introduce yourself, bro.
My name is Juan.
There you go.
Katie.
From Katie. And you, ma'am? Marisa from Katie.
That's right.
Oh, now you broke the curse, bro. Philip is trying to catch some bait. Okay guys, so mag-fishing muna tayo for ano. Wala na, humina yung kagatan ng trout. So mag-ship head muna tayo guys. Diyan lang sa malapit. There you go. Come on, take it. Ooh. Missed it. There you go. I think we got him. Yeah, we got him, guys. Yeah, we got him. We got his ass. That's a big one too. Let's wait for the wave. Those are big. Oh, come on, get up there. Oh, bro.
Awesome.
That's a big one.
Good stuff, man.
That's a big one right there. You almost break my rod.
Yeah, that's good.
Like I said, the trout stopped biting, so I decided to switch my gear to bottom fishing. I mean, not bottom, for ship's head. And look what I got here, buddy. It's a big mama. Look at this guy. That's a big one, eh? So I switched my gear to a different kind of setup. I mean, it's almost the same length and everything, but this one I tried to replace my hook. Instead of a triple hook, I use a J hook. Look at this, guys. That's how you look at the big ship head. Woo, this is big one, bro. Let me show it. This guy is 17 inches, guys. Well, we'll take it. So we're gonna bleed this out. So we're trying to bleed him out, so later on it's gonna be a good grill. It's going to our grill tonight, guys. Go. Baby, come on here. Number 2, guys. Number 2. Back to back to back. I'm feeling it here, bro. Hey, come on, bro. Number 4. Every freaking drop! Every freaking drop! Every drop, bro! Hey! I got 22 trout! Look at this guy! Woo! That's one. Number 3 on a keeper. Big one.
I'll trade you. Let's trade. Let's trade.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Look, look at how big that is.
Let's trade.
Bro.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
That thing like 2 pounds size.
But I think that's a keeper. That's probably 15 and a half right there, yours.
Yeah, he looks heavy.
Bro, we're on out.
God dang. That was fast. Man, caught 4, 5, 6. Really that fast.
That would have been like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Crazy. Yes, sir, let's go. Another big mama. Yes, sir. Hey, and then... There you go. Let's try it again, guys. Take it. The bite is over there. There you go. There you go. Take it. Take it. Take it. Oh, that. Yeah, we got him. Ooh. Yeah, we got. This is a big one. This is a big one, guys. Oh, another one. Yeah. Tiny. Another one. Into the water. There you go. That's a big one, guys. Wow. Look at these guys. Man, I already got my limit. I got my limit, guys.
Is it on?
Oh, it's on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm eating it.
Oh, yeah? So, how much is it, right?
That's a grunt. It's a grunt.
Oh, it's a grunt?
Yeah, I usually deep fry the whole thing, bro. I just remove the gut
Yeah.
and the gills and deep fry the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just right there. Look, we're gonna get him. We'll get him this time. Here you go. Yeah, I told you, bro. I told you I'm gonna get him. He's right there. Yeah. Oh, dang it. Whoa. I told you it's back to back to back. Yes, sir. I'm killing it here, bro. Hey, come on, bro. That's crazy, guys. I'm killing it here. Yeah, this one is 14. Oh, I know, buddy. Chill out. It says 14. Yeah, 14 and a half. Alright, here we go. We're gonna return back. Whoop. There you go. Woo!
Come on.
There you go. There you go. Sticking it. He's gonna swallow that guy. There you go. He got him now. What? No way. Missed it again. There you go. Yeah, we got him. We got him, bro. We got him. We got him again. We got him again. There we go, bro. Maybe the bigger one's over here. There you go. Take it, take it. Yeah, we got him again. Bro, oh, this one is bigger. This is bigger right here. That's a bigger one. There's a bigger one, yeah. Bro! Yeah! Hey, I'm harvesting right now! Bro! Did you see that, guys? Every freaking drop! Every freaking drop! Every drop, bro! Right here! Yeah, I mean, I caught a big one trout, a big one a while ago, but it stopped biting. Yeah. So I switched it to a J-hook. Bro, I'm killing it.
Yeah, I see you, man.
Hey, drop it over there. Look, that one is 18, this one is 17. This one is 17, guys. Number 3 on the keeper, guys. Wow, let's go. There we go, guys. Let's try it again. Bro, wow, we're killing it here, guys. I wish Duke and Aden is here. Oh, shout out to Jong. Jong, punta ka na rito, dito na isda. There you go. Uh-oh. There you go. There you go. Take it. Oh, he missed it again. Oh, maybe he's still there. Yeah, it's still there. Another one, bro. Big one. This is the big one, guys. Oh, look at this. Look at that guy. Whoa. Bro. 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 Shoot.
Look at the comparison.
Look at that.
Yeah, that thing like 2 times the size of mine.
But I think that's the keeper. That's probably 15.5 right there, yours.
Yeah, he looks maybe.
Bro, we're on now.
God damn. That was fast. Take off 4, 5, 6. Really that fast.
That one maybe like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Yes, sir. Let's go. We've got a cut it right here. And we're gonna put another one. Another 18 right here, guys. This one is 17. That is the biggest one. This one's 17, guys. So we're trying to bleed this guy. Man, we're gonna set up another one. Because the school is over there a while ago, so let's see if they're moving this way or they're moving back that way. I guess they're over here. Yeah, they're over here, bro. Ooh. Bro, they're over here. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, the school is. I think they're moving this way. This is 14, guys. So this is number. There you go. You missed it? Yeah, I'm gonna prove it to you that was a piggy perch, okay? So look, we're gonna catch him in this bait. We're gonna catch him this time. Because if that was a ship's head, it's different. Yeah, that's piggy perch right there. Yeah. Or maybe me beads. There we go again. Oh, little one. Tiny. Oh, and it popped. It came off, so that's a good thing. Because this guy's a little one. So we're gonna throw him back in the water. You better stop, bro. Stop now. Come on. Ah. Well, I'm not putting you back in the water if you keep flapping like that. There you go. Ew. Another one. There you go. Back in the water. There you go. All right, let's do it again. There we go. There you go. You got it. Oh, this one is a big one. This is a big one, guys. Bro, this is a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, I already know. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one, guys. Yeah. Holy. Bro. That's a big one, guys. Wow. Look at this guy. That is a massive right there, guys. This thing is huge. Wow. That's crazy. That's a big one right there, guys. Man, I already got my limit. Yeah, I like that guy. A big one, bro. No. Oh, I thought it came off. No. Bro, good job. Alright guys, so that's about it. We're done for today. We got a limit quick, man. We got him, baby. Look at the guy. We got it again, baby. Look what we got here. Yes, sir. Just like that, guys. We got him on.
And that's how you catch. Ano yan pare sa hawak mo dyan? Angat mo, naka-video to eh. Anong hawak mo?
Yeah, that's right. We got a limit, baby.
Pang-ulam yan ah.
Woo. Just like that. Fish on.